And I can guarantee you, as a coach, as a business owner, as a personal individual, I can tell you why you're failing. I can sit right here and I can talk to every one of you and I can tell you exactly why you're where you are in life. It's because you've taken yourself out of the game. You allowed something else to be more focal, more impactful, and more disruptive, and you took yourself out of the game. And then you want to be upset. See, as a coach, as a speaker, we have to comfort the inflicted and inflict the comfort. And right now, a lot of you guys are too damn comfortable. Right now, a lot of y'all are too damn comfortable with a backdoor option. I got bills to pay. Really? You've had those same bills to pay for your last 10 years of your life. How's that working out for you? Well, I gotta do this. Everything that you're using as an excuse is still going to be there no matter what. In fact, those same exact situations that you're holding your hat on has been part of your life for the last 3 to 5 years. What are you doing differently? Or have you settled right back into that, well, this is just as good as it gets bullshit? There's not a reason why, there's not a reason, not one reason why each and every one of you on this call is not making $50,000 a month. It's not a reason, a valid. See, it just depends on how bad you want it. Most of you don't want it. Sure, you want it. Sure, you're willing to kind of muddle through it. Sure, man, if I can just, see wins every now and then, I'll continue. That's what every other loser says. That's what every other failure says. That's what every other 99% of America says. You all should be the 1%.